Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're looking at Ethereum and its valuation against Bitcoin and how last week was a great week for Ethereum. It was up 18%, but more importantly, we have closed above the 20-week moving average. Now, as you can see, the moving average, the 20-week moving average isn't necessarily the greatest indicator for Ethereum, but we can see that in a bullish market, when Ethereum crosses past the 20-week moving average, we see a pretty good return, 20% above the 20-week moving average, 11% against the 20-week moving average. You can even add another 44% for this move if you want to call it one move. Um, this move from the 20-week was a 40% move. And when we look at prior cycles, we could see moves like this, where it once we crossed the 20-week moving average, it was a move of 1,000%. And this one here, which is even larger of a percentage, we're looking at like an 1,100% move for Ethereum against Bitcoin. With that said, I don't know if we're going to get 1,000% move in weeks, in a span of weeks, but this is bullish nonetheless, and it kind of falls in line to what is happening on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance is at 57.56% dominance. It is continuing to drop. Last week was a major drop for Bitcoin dominance. Altcoins still have the momentum. They are leading the charge in this rally. It's only a matter of time, in my view, for Ethereum to follow suit. We bounced off of the descending symmetrical triangle that we had drawn out for the entire, uh, for a large portion of the Ethereum chart. That's pretty bullish. Um, and now here we are, uh, above the 20-week moving average. There are certain scenarios. For Ethereum on how it's going to play out, which will ultimately determine the fate of altcoins. But considering that if Ethereum stays above the 20-week moving average and only like slowly climbs, then altcoins have a chance to move. Altcoins have a chance right now to move because Ethereum's not doing much today. Neither is Bitcoin. So the opportunity is there for altcoins to really take up that market share. However, once Ethereum starts to move, which is not a question of if, it's a matter of when, uh, expect your altcoin positions to bleed against Ethereum. Right now, VeChain is doing very well against Ethereum, up 12%. However, if Ethereum starts moving, I would expect VeChain against Ethereum to start dropping. Um, Now, both scenarios I love. I hold both assets. So it's all the more important to know or to not be 100% invested into one asset over the other. You want a certain selection of altcoins, pre-selected altcoins that have favorable interactions with one another. And I think VeChain and Ethereum are a good couple. Cardano against Ethereum is another one. Basic attention token against Bitcoin is another one. Should you be buying at the bottom? There are many other examples for that as well. And so with that said, Ethereum is looking bullish. Ethereum's above the 20-week moving average. Bitcoin's not doing anything. The dominance continues to drop. All of these are factors that point towards an Ethereum run, and it's and that it is should happen. Um, with that said, we don't know when. It's above the 20-week moving average now, but we can subsequently come back down. We can rally even further. I'm hoping that we get to as high as zero point zero 0.05 on Ethereum against Bitcoin, and we could potentially fall from there. We just don't know. Then the thing is to look at three things. Look at Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, look at the Bitcoin dominance, and then look at Ethereum. And with those, you can probably determine the fate of all coins from those charts. If Bitcoin is moving hard, then Ethereum and all your other altcoins are probably going to bleed against Bitcoin. The dollar value is going to be probably going to be fine. If Bitcoin's not moving and you see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, then look to Ethereum. Is it making a move? If not, your altcoins are making a move. Um, if if Bitcoin is price of Bitcoin's not moving and the dominance is still dropping, look to Ethereum. Is it rallying? Then your altcoin positions are probably bleeding against Ethereum. And so those are the things to keep in mind. There's your checklist, or at least that's my checklist on kind of determining short-term movements in the coming weeks. It's going to be fairly exciting going forward. Things are looking a lot more bullish again. The month of March was a very interesting one because a lot of altcoins were moving, and then the end of the last 2 weeks of March, nothing really happened, and so people were kind of getting antsy. Here's your breakout. Ethereum is breaking out. Chainlink is looking good. Basic attention token still holding strong. VeChain is rallying right now. Litecoin is starting to potentially turn it around. XRP is starting to turn around. You can't have an altcoin market without Litecoin and XRP also making insane runs as well. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Things are looking very good for Ethereum. I'm a happy camper, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.